What's good, everybody? Welcome to Jackson. I'm your host Jackson Indongo, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to remove your noise. It's a noise reduction tutorial for the SYNCO-G1. I bought this thing. I mean, for the price, it's worth it. Like, I'm not complaining. That's just what it is. You can't get it all, right? So I paid 150 bucks Canadian for this off Amazon. I just got it today. I'm currently using it to record this video. As you can hear, there's no noise reduction. It's one simple fix. Yeah, it takes an extra second, but it's worth it for the price, you know? So I'm gonna show you how to do that. I use DaVinci Resolve. I don't know about other softwares, but if you're a DaVinci Resolve user, this is how you get rid of the noise. Let's get into it. I hope you like it. And if you do, please subscribe. Let's get in it. All right, yo, so once we get into this, I'm gonna show you what the SYNCO-A1 sounds like right from the package. So this is me testing it earlier in the day. I kind of look rough, but don't mind that. But let me show you how I sound straight from the mic. Like, just listen to how much noise, and I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one going through this. So this is the noise that comes out from it. What's good, everybody? What's good, everybody? Welcome to Jackson Reacts. I'm your host Jackson Indongo, and in today's video, so you can hear that so much noise with the audio. So if you're a DaVinci Resolve user, this is how you fix it. So you want to come to Fairlight. If you want to download Fairlight, you can just click in the sounds library, and there should be something that says downloads. When you download that, it will automatically install it for you. It's a free Fairlight FX by DaVinci Resolve. It's the best thing ever. So once you download that, it should say download. If you've already downloaded it, just come to the Fairlight page, and then you're gonna see all these things right here. So you're gonna have them right here, right? So these are all your FXs right here. So what you wanna do is come to noise reduction, okay? And then you're gonna put it on bus 1, and you're gonna put it on A1. Now, this is where the trick is. You don't want to adjust any of these things. Well, you do, but what you want to do first is turn it to auto speech. So once more, I just want you to hear what it sounds like. So noise, listen to what happens. Look at the drastic change when I switch it to auto speech mode. Hear the difference? Mad difference. Now, this is how you get rid of everything. You want to reduce the volume down for the output all the way to 0, and you want to reduce it all the way to wetness. Oh, Lord. There you go. So you want to do this for both of them. And you want to, and then, voila. I mean, you can keep tweaking it if you want, but this in itself will literally do the trick. Listen to this. What's good, everybody? Clean, super clean, super clean. You barely hear anything. I'm your host Jackson Indongo, and in today's video, we are literally trying out our sound effects. I literally want to remove the raw. Oh, that's it, guys. That is how you get rid of all the noise reduction for the SYNCO-A1. It's literally one extra step. You just throw in one of the presets given to you by DaVinci Resolve called noise reduction. Make sure you switch it to the auto mode, and it should get rid of all the noise. So yes, you do want one extra step, but it's definitely worth it for the price that I've paid. And I don't mind doing it anyways, because it's just part of my editing process anyways. Anyway, guys, I hope you found that video really helpful. I know a lot of people have been going through with the noise reductions and returning the product, but if you can just do this extra step in whatever program that you are using, it literally can save you a whole $150 to
$200 getting the Rode mics. You know what I mean? So it sounds pretty clear. There's no noise anymore with one easy extra step. Until next time, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Peace.